let's make a sweet like this Chenna Murki. It's made of cottage cheese or otherwise paneer. It's very easy to make. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Josh Moses Kitchen. This recipe serves 2 guests. We need 125 grams of paneer cut into small dices, water 1/3 cup, sugar 3-4 cups. In a pot on a medium heat, dissolve all the sugar by combining. Bring to boil. Let it simmer, simmer, simmer. Bring into one string consistency like this. Add 2 tablespoons of milk. Combine well. Bring to boil. Reduce the heat. Add the paneer. Stir in the diced paneer. Gently stir it. Add rose water and cardamom and keep stirring. And when the froth is like this and it is thick, turn off the heat. Stir continuously for few minutes. The sugar syrup will thicken and it get a nice coating transferred to a bowl. Add some powdered sugar. Combine well. Drizzle some rose petals and enjoy. Chenna Murki made with the cottage cheese. It's ready. Let's try it. It's very crunchy and crispy outside. Inside, a soft texture is there. The flavor is so good. The rose water, the cardamom makes it beautiful taste. If you like this recipe, please try it. Try it. Comment it, share it, and give me a support by subscribing my channel, Josh Moses Kitchen. Bye.